G'day. I didn't see you there. We're out here in the beautiful Manhattan Beach this morning, and we're going to go catch up with our man Fritz from Fritz Construction. He's doing one of the houses down here on the Strand. We're going to go check out the pocket doors. Stay tuned.
So this is a home we're finishing in Manhattan Beach, and we did all the architectural millwork, the cabinetry, the beam work, and the door installation here. We do that all in-house, as well as the fine painting and finishing. So it came out really nice.
Yeah, so a lot of folks will subcontract that out, but as you can see, you know, all of these finer finishing details, Fritz handles that internally so that he's got complete control, and the results are very visible. Fritz, do you want to give us a walk through what you've done here with the cavity sliders?
Yeah, I'm so happy to use your new system that has the soft open and soft close. And my clients are really enjoying that feature too, and showing it off to their friends. So really happy with how it turned out. Look forward to using it on the next job.
Yeah. And then what you'll see if you zoom in here is a detail on the jambs. That's something that's taken Fritz a little bit of working out, and how that's made compatible with our split jambs.
Yeah, we do a lot of, we call them a kerfed jam with the drywall, so there's no casing. Very clean, very modern. It came out really well.
So what we've got through here is the laundry, and what you see, Fritz has used some louvered doors.
Yeah, in laundry rooms we like to detail a louvered, open louvered door, because you have a gas appliance in a laundry room and it needs to have combustion air in order to not cause a fire hazard.
Very cool. So if you have a look up through here, you've got some gaps so that there's constant airflow and regulation.
Yep.
Very cool. Again, you've got the soft open and soft close.
Love it.